This is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a freight here on CN heading west with an Ex Citirail locomotive leading the last light of day in the blue hour here at the Dorval ramps. Cool. Hey Elton. Hey Ben. You missed this one. I was with Elton and Ben today for a short period of time. And we got a train over at the at Lachine, and they had to leave, so they dropped me back over here so I can get my my bus back to McFall. And luckily I did get this train here at the Dorval ramps. It's not too dark, so you can see what's going on. And with a little luck, even the CP train we were trying to get, 118, will come. This one's really taking off now. Here, the 26th of November, 2023. Probably one of the last times this year I'll be able to come to this location, because the grass here, it of course freezes up and becomes very dangerous. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.